Hey guys, so today we're gonna make a nice little drink and we'll be making Pina Colada. So let's get started with this very delicious and yummy drink. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna start by taking my whole pineapple and I'm gonna cut the top off. Okay, so just use your knife and cut the top off. Then I'm gonna take from the top, I'm gonna basically slice a ring of pineapple, and that's gonna be for the garnishing in the ending of the video. Okay, and I'm gonna slice that piece of pineapple ring in half and set it aside in a bowl with a few strawberries also, which I'm gonna use for garnishing my pina colada in the end. Alright, so next I'm gonna use a spoon and a knife, and I'm basically just gonna try to scoop out the pineapple in the middle using the knife. I use the knife to poke it and make it easier to scoop out with the spoon. Alright, so just take your time, don't cut yourselves, and take out the pineapple. I know that they sell like a pineapple ring cutter, so if you want to look for one of those to make your life a little bit easier, you can also do that. There's also this big piece in the middle of the pineapple, so I'm working around it and I'm gonna use the knife to basically cut that piece out, okay, and remove it. Okay, and once you finish scooping out the pineapple, it should look something like this. And also don't forget to reserve the pineapple you scooped out, because we're gonna use it in our drink. Okay, so instead of having to buy pineapple rings or whatever, you have fresh pineapple right here. So these are the other ingredients I'll be using. Cream of coconut, I'm using vodka. To make the pina colada taste even better, you could use some Malibu coconut rum. That tastes even better in pina colada, so if you want to get that. And then you're gonna need, of course, the pineapples we just scooped out, and pineapple juice. Okay, 100% pineapple juice, and of course ice. Alright, so let's get started making our drink. So I'm using my NutriBullet. You can use a NutriBullet, you can use a blender, and then I'm gonna put in some of the cream of coconut. Then I'm gonna add my pineapple juice. Then I'm gonna add some fresh pineapple chunks. Alright, and now I'm gonna add the best part, the rum. Alright, so when it comes to adding in the rum, the liquor, you want to add, if you'd like your drink to be on the strong side, you'll want to add more than I recommended down below in the description box. Alright, that's if you like it on the strong side. And if you don't want it too strong, you could add less than I recommended, or don't add any at all, and then you'll have a nice virgin pina colada, which is perfect for the kids. I make this for my daughter all the time without the alcohol, and she loves it. So yeah, you guys, so add in the liquor, then I add in some ice, and you're gonna blend it until it's smooth and creamy like this. And next, all you have to do is get the pineapple bowl we scooped out earlier and fill it up with the pina colada drink. Okay, so I leave you can leave an inch of space to the top of the bowl for the toppings and so on if you'd like. And now I'm just gonna garnish the rim of my bowl with some fresh strawberries and the pineapple ring we cut earlier. I'm also going to add a straw, and lastly, you can stop at this point, or if you'd like, you could add more garnishes to your drink. However you like your pina colada to look, this is what you'll do at this point. But the last thing I'm going to show you guys is to top it off with some whipped cream, and that's it, you guys. That's it. This is so delicious. It's just perfect. This is one of my favorite drinks. So yeah, you guys, nice and tropical. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial, and if you give the recipe a try, let me know in the comments down below if it tasted good, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.